Hello everyone, so today's video is about Mud&Bloom. Mud&Bloom is a brand new website created by Anja and is a monthly gardening and nature craft box. So every month Anja puts together some lovely boxes for the children with some craft activities and some gardening seeds. So each month is going to be a different seed, so a different plant. So very excited to receive this through the letterbox. The packaging is all 100% eco-friendly, so it's really good. So by opening the box, we find all the different cards that have been put inside. So what's going on with this month's box, and then also some tips on what's going on with nature in July. So that's really sweet. Then we have grow your own giant radishes. So all the instructions, what you need to grow the radishes. So you can do this very easily with your children. Got all the various steps in here. And then we got lettuce as well. So this is the two sets of seeds that we find in this July's box. So we can see the radishes are here. It's 100% organic. Everything is compostable, all the packaging is compostable, and we got lettuce seeds here, again all 100% organic. All the instruction for the children to grow the lettuce, again all the steps that you need. And then there's some lovely activities as well. So in this July box, we can make our own nature paint brushes. So we got the embroidery thread, which is provided. Okay, this is 100% cotton. So this is one activity. You can see all the steps on how to make the brushes. And then the next activity is make your own summer flower vase. This is really cute. In the box with this activity we get the two paper tape, so they're completely paper, so this is really good. And then we got the bottoms, which they're here. I'm just gonna get them out for you. So I've asked Anja, and the bottom are actually all wooden, which is fantastic as well. And then we got a set of glue. Now the glue is not unfortunately eco-friendly as yet. I've asked Anja, and she has been trying to look for eco-friendly alternatives for all her boxes, and she's aiming to be 100% eco-friendly by January 2019. So the glue is something that she's still looking into, and obviously as many eco-friendly businesses, and for us as well as a magazine, we find sometimes that the alternatives are quite expensive, so you need to do a little bit more research to be able to find the alternative that is good for you and your business. In here also we have the compost pallets, and the compost pallets that Anja uses are always peat-free and organic. So you can see here you got the little compost pellets for your seeds, and then obviously you got these ones that you can write, the kids can write the name of the plant that they put in a little pot. And then also there is another card with just a few information. We got, can you spot these leaves and trees? So all different kind of leaves and what kind of trees they are. And then right at the back you can enjoy this with your children. There's a little quiz about what they learned about the quiz. So it's a lovely box. I'm looking forward to be using this with my nieces. I'm sure they're gonna have lots of fun with these ones. And yeah, it's fantastic business. You know, Anja is very passionate about it. The aim for her business is to be, as I said earlier, 100% eco-friendly by January 2019. So she needs our support. So you can go online, you can find her. So her website is www.Mud&Bloom.com, or you can find her on an Instagram account at Mud&Bloom. And if you like to be featured, just send us an email. You can tag us, or you can find us online on www.NoSerialNumber.org. I have a few more products that came in the last couple of weeks, so I'm going to be doing a few more videos, and I hope you enjoy them.